Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our channel. This has to do with somebody who was accused of sexual molestation of a minor while under the influence of drugs. Criminal attorney, South San Francisco. Sex crime, South San Francisco. Sexual molestation, South San Francisco. Let's see. When I was 16 years old, I was accused of touching a 5-year-old while I was on drugs. 3 years have passed. I am currently on probation. What will happen to me? I'm already an adult now. Well, first of all, I'm assuming that this, if you touched private parts or buttocks, whatever, of a minor, specifically somebody under the age of 14, in this case a 5-year-old, we're talking about a violation of Penal Code Section 288, parentheses A, which is a felony that carries up to 8 years in state prison. Now, because you were a minor when you allegedly committed this offense, you would not have gone to state prison, but more likely you would have been sent to a juvenile detention facility. Now, even though you are a juvenile, you probably will have to register as a sex offender for life under Penal Code Section 290. Now, that's under the assumption that you just touched private parts and you didn't do anything worse. Because if you did something like sexual penetration or oral sex or something like that, for instance, sexual penetration of somebody who's under the age of 10, that's an extremely serious felony. That is a violation of Penal Code Section 288.7. Now, if you were an adult, that would carry 25 to life. Because you were a juvenile, the max that would give you would be 25 years, since they top it off here in the state of California. However, since you're the one who's sending me this question, I'm assuming you're not spending the next 25 years in juvenile facilities. As a matter of fact, I know you're not, because you just told me that you're on probation, and you wouldn't be getting probation if you were in juvenile detention that long. So the thing is this: once you're off probation and you're an adult, you can petition the arresting agency to seal your arrest record. However, nevertheless, you are still going to have to register as a sex offender for life under Penal Code Section 290. Every day on your birthday, this means every day on your birthday, you're going to have to get up in the morning and you're going to have to go to the police station and give your prints, take a picture, and all of your info is going to show up on meganslaw.ca.gov. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us at 1-800-862-7677 here in the San Francisco Bay Area. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was accused of domestic violence by way of self-defense. Criminal attorney, South San Francisco. Child molestation, South San Francisco. And by the way, being under the influence of drugs is not a defense to child molestation if you yourself got yourself high. Involuntary intoxication is not a defense. It's something I forgot to address. Obviously, if you were kidnapped and drugged, that's another story. But assuming that you yourself got yourself high and you did the crime, you're still going to be responsible.